Welcome to my channel, guys. For this video, I'm gonna show you how to put guard flare on this SR5. This is the 2021 model. I think it's gonna look better with the flare. So I'm gonna show you how to do it, guys. This is how it look like without the flare, guys. It's very plain. We're gonna transform it into this. Look at that. That's mint. This flare is an OEM, guys. First, need to remove all the clips in the bolts on the guard liner. Then to wipe the paint where you gonna stick the flare. Wipe it with like alcohol or something like methylated spirit or something, so the double-sided tape will stick properly. This fits to the factory holes. Then you just need to put back all the clips and nuts on the guard liner and you're good to go. Look at that, guys. That's look very sick. Need to do all it's pretty the same. You just need to do all the removing of the bolts and clips on the guard liner from the front and back, and then just straight forward. It's very easy peasy. It's gonna look more really good in the Hilux. For me, it looks really good with the flare. I'm gonna leave it black for now, and maybe later on, let's see, I might make it white, but for now I'm gonna leave it like that. Look at that, guys. So now we're gonna put the rear, same thing. It's not really hard, guys. Hope you like my video, guys. Just comment below if you have question about this installation, guys, and I'm happy to answer that. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down below, guys. Thanks for watching.